Trying to give you guys an update. I have a panel now. So, it's just using 9-volt batteries still. I'm not using that adapter. There's the alarm. There's going to be an alarm over there. I'm going to put one up. I just don't know which one. Probably the other Commander 3. And hopefully, eventually, I'll be able to do audible silence. Because, see, I'll literally just take this off right now. See, it's just a strobe that's hooked up. No horn wire, because it's doing a 2-wire operation. But yeah, let's go ahead and test it for you. Here's the drill switch, silence switch, and the main power switch, and that just came off, and then the pull station. And then I'll demonstrate audible silence again. And then I'll show you the BG12, which I'll also demonstrate audible silence again. Well, not audible silence, just silence again. There. And the strobe does stop flashing too. See? Pretty sweet. Yeah, now I have a panel. And yeah, so there's a lot of wire that loops around there to there, and then it hooks up to the alarm wire, which goes to that, and then there's another wire which goes to that, and then the drill switch is hooked up to the pull station, and then behind this door there's another back box which has the other pull station wire, which goes to this BG12 right here. Well, MS7. There's the model. Yeah, it's an MS7. You might notice I'm using different keys. That's a knockoff version of this pull station. I'm using its lock because the original lock I had, the key broke in half. And it only came with one for some reason. But, I mean, yeah. This is a great pull station, I'd say. But, yeah. So is this one over here. But, yeah. That is just the update. Got a new panel and all that stuff. And, I don't know what this is going to be for. Maybe a different system. Like, security system. I don't know. But, yeah. Eventually I'll do that. Because I have some empty back boxes here. But, yep. That's all. Bye.